guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all the social media. And you have to excuse my nails. I'm trying to give them a rest and I haven't redone them, but whatever, we're still gonna record. That's honestly what stopped me last week, and I have to be honest with you all. So last week, and I kind of shared that I've been off of my like planner game. I don't know what's going on. Like you can tell, it's been maybe like 2-3 weeks. I tried the week of the 2nd through the 8th, but I did like the basics, very minimal basic planning. And then this current week I did nothing, which is fine. I'm not going to stress out about it. I'm just going to move on to the next week and call it a day. So we're going to go ahead and plan the week of the 16th through the 22nd. Okay, so I did go ahead and bring these out. These are the freebies that you would get if you place an order using my code Curvy Planner on LA Floral Shop. That is the information where you can find her, and this is the freebie. It's inspired by Sony Angels and Labubus and coffee, so all the cutie stuff. But I thought it would be fun to use these. I think this is like more than enough stickers to actually make a cute little spread. I don't normally add a whole ton of stuff, so I think this is really good. And I also brought out some washi. So this right here is by Once More with Love, and then this one right here is by Bando. I just got a package in from them and they included washi, and I figured it looked cute together. It doesn't really go together like as far as the theme goes, but this is like planner stuff and these are flowers. Like it's no big deal. It's kind of like pretty like simple themes and we can just put them together. It's fine. Okay, let me go ahead and grab my pen. One thing I have been using is my Louise Carmen inspired journal. It's been like my go-to for everything. So I've just been writing in that quite a bit, but I do have this cute little pen that I've been using. So let me go ahead and write down the dinner, lunch, and breakfast so we can make sure not to cover that. And there it goes. And then let me go ahead and add the washi. I'm thinking about doing like, maybe we frame it or we do like this. Or maybe even like, I don't know. I'm kind of like debating. I think I like this. I think I'm going to do this. So let's go ahead and grab this washi. We'll lay this one on first because that's going to go on first. So let's put it on where the number 2 starts. And let me grab a ruler. Actually, I don't know where I left my ruler. It's still missing. So I'm going to use this prayer card that my mother-in-law gave me. Does the job. And then this one right here. It's a little crooked. Cut that off. Perfect. And then let's go ahead and add this one with like the little flowers. I think we'll have to start over on this page because it's like, I don't want to put it on backwards. I feel like it matches the stickers really well. I feel like it doesn't go the greatest with this washi, but I'm just gonna go for it. Like it's fine. And then this one right here. And I'm just gonna even it out to this right here. Okay, perfect. I think that's cute. Now I was thinking, is it gonna be too much if I put it, oh, it'll cover that up. And it'll also cover this up here. Yeah, but what about putting it right above here? I usually put like my YouTube schedule right here, but it's fine if we cover it up a little bit. Yeah, I think that's good. Just to add a little bit more color. And then this right here, like right there. Yeah, that's good. Oh, it went on a little crooked. Hopefully it doesn't tear the page. Always gotta be careful. I have been thinking about my lineup for 2026. I know it's like super early. We still have like an entire year, but I'm thinking about, instead of a full Hobonichi, I think like a Hobonichi cousin, I think I'm gonna go with a Hobonichi weeks. I think that would actually be really, really good for me, and I don't think it'll be as much as like what this has been. I kind of gave up on the daily pages pretty early on. I just don't feel like it's necessary for me in my life, and I think something like a Hobonichi weeks would make a lot more sense for me. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab a highlighter that would match these colors and this theme that we have going on here. Okay, so I don't have something like an orange that would match this, but I do have like green. That one's pretty bright, but it matches like the little stars on there. Then I have this little yellow one. I don't think that matches too much over here. It does kind of match these flowers. Oh, that's the same green. My bad. And then I don't have, like I said, I don't have an orange, but I do have a red. So that would be as close as I could probably get. I'm thinking maybe red would look the best. I think red is going to be the winner for sure. Okay, so wait, let me fix it. I felt like it was like almost off the screen because I had to readjust my tripod here. So I did go ahead and fill out the breakfast, lunch, and dinner here at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and now fill out. I'm going to do what I normally do, which is highlight my weeks. So I like to highlight the time that I basically work. So I'm so annoyed that I haven't been able to find my ruler because it's easier that way. But I do work from 9 to 5:30, which is 17 and a half. So I'm going to do that for Monday through Friday, and I'll be right back. Okay, cute. So that is what that looks like. I'm also thinking I'm going to highlight these down here. Hopefully it doesn't smudge. No, it doesn't. Okay, perfect. I don't know why. I think it just adds like a little extra pop of color and it makes it look cute. So that. And then the other thing I like doing is highlighting the week that we're on. So like that. And then let's go ahead and add some of these stickers. I'm thinking I'm just going to use them all, if I'm being honest. Maybe I add this little coffee cup right here. The little Sony Angel. This is like a carrot. And this one right here is a strawberry. It's so cute. I'm so obsessed. And then I'm going to add also the Labubu right here. And then I'm going to do the same thing with these little ones and put them right here. Kind of just like a little cluster, like right there. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And then this little coffee cup, I think I'm going to put on maybe like Thursday. No, on Friday. And then I'm going to add these little like squigglies because these are also little stickers just on random little spots. These are actually so cute. I love them. So again, don't forget you actually get these for free. So you get this entire sticker sheet for free when you place an order using my code Curvy Planner. And they're so adorable. And also like if you do happen to get them, like tag me. Like I think that would be so cute and I'll definitely share. Like if it's a story or even on Instagram, I'll share it on my Instagram because they're just so adorable. I'm so excited. When she reached out to me, I was like, oh my gosh, absolutely, absolutely. And I think I'm even, oddly enough, I'm going to use this right here because I think it would be a good reminder to like post on my socials. And then that's where you can find her shop. It's at LA Florals Plans. So cute. Okay, so I'm also going to go ahead and write lunch on each of the days. My lunch is from 1 to 2. So I'm just going to write that down. Perfect. That is cute. Okay, and then I'm also going to go ahead and write my work schedule. So I work every single day from 9 to 5:30. So I'm just going to put down work 9 to 5:30. So I'm going to add that on all the days really quick. Cute. I'm thinking, should I outline it like I normally do? I don't think I did that this past week. I think I'm just going to leave it as is. And then I also like to add my YouTube days, which this past week I didn't post because I wasn't feeling the greatest, but for sure this week I'm going to post. My days are Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So with that being said, I did kind of cover that up there. So I'm thinking, I wonder if I have any boxes that would match the whole mood that we have going on here. Let's take a look. I'm definitely running out of like boxes here and there, but it's okay. If I don't have any, like, it's no big deal. So kind of want to write, oh, these would go cute with it. I'm going to grab these. These are little YouTube icons. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Kind of bent it. I'm not going to use that one. I could use my tweezers, but they're not in my office. And then this is the last one. Okay, and then let's keep looking for boxes. Oh, I could use these. Oh, they kind of don't match. But like, maybe, we'll see. Let's see. Let's keep looking. See if we have anything. I don't think so. Because these don't go either. Gosh, my husband just passed by and he's like, hello. And I'm like, I'm recording, clearly. Let's not. Anyways, I feel like these don't go, so like that's gonna like mess me up. So okay, I for sure, what if I use these little boxes, these right here, with this one? I know this one has like a little square on it, like a little, I think this is supposed to be like, I don't even know, whatever. Just gonna put this one right here. And then on Thursday and on Sunday, like right there. And then let me grab my, what is it called? What am I trying to think of? My whiteout, hold on. Okay, so I have this whiteout. I have the other kind that you don't, that's not liquid, but I'm trying to use this one up before I move on to the other one. Okay, now let's let that dry up. I also was able to grab my tweezers. So here are these. Let's put this one on here. I think maybe just like above it a little bit, as well as this one and this one. We'll put like right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and write down YouTube, and then right here too. Actually, let's wait for that to dry. I am thinking, so what I normally do is put YouTube and I check it off on the actual day, but I actually try to do it the day before. So I think instead of putting it on the actual day, I'm going to write it down on the day before. So I'm going to go ahead and write record, edit, upload, thumbnail, and schedule. And then also doing that on Wednesday and then on Saturday. Okay, perfect. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the little check off boxes as well as on here. Perfect. That is cute. I'm gonna go ahead and also do like a little arrow pointing at where that video is supposed to go, and then right here and also over here. I think that's pretty cute. I think it looks so good. I love it. Okay, actually this turned out so cute. I had thought about using these, but I think we still should. I think I'm gonna just leave these in here because these are very much like self-care of like planning for that day. So I think I definitely want to plan to do like a face mask or something like that, but I'm gonna leave it in here so I can plan for it any one of the days. So it can be like on Tuesday or Wednesday or whatever, and I can put that up here. So that would be really cute. So yeah, I think this turned out so cute. I love it. So again, don't forget, if you go to laflorals.shop, you can shop her website. You can get, actually you get 10% off, and you also get this freebie. So don't forget to use that code because it gives you a free little discount along with a little sticker sheet that you can enjoy. But love doing this. I love the way it turned out. And I will talk to y'all on Tuesday. I'm planning on doing like a little like during the week and actually filling out the planner with you all. I think that would be really fun. If we don't post it on Tuesday, I'll post it on Thursday. So love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all again on Tuesday. Bye.